Tim Gramatovich is with us now. He's the Chief Investment Officer of Gateway Credit. And it's, of course, blood in the streets. Tim, this is the time when people start to get very interested in sectors like this.
And I've been a clanging gong on your network and all of them for, the better part of a decade, talking about the uninvestable nature of shale just in general. I don't care what the price points are because it's a Ponzi scheme. It's a drilling treadmill, right? Those decline curves are, never changing, and they're more vicious than ever. So I think the one thing that you have to look through is to say, all right, at the end of the day, if this gets held down, certainly for the next 6 to 9 months, as hedges roll off, Amanda, you will destroy the bulk of the independent shale producers in the U.S. because there's just zero interest from the financial community right now at any level. You and I talked a few weeks ago, and I talked to you about briefly that Sanchez dip loan, and saying that thing is distressed, right? And then we noticed Whiting went in; they couldn't access any bankruptcy financing. You're seeing exchanges today at 20 cents, 30 cents, et cetera. So there really is no investable value. I would say that there would certainly be an interest from the investment community in buying RBLs, the revolving-based loans, just risk premiums in general, right? I mean, the oil markets, are telling you that, production, in terms of industrial production activity, economic activity just everywhere is zero, right? And then you have these risk markets that are saying, no, we're all going to be fine and we're going to have this V recovery, be it in equity, be it in credit. And somebody's wrong, right? And I'm watching the oil markets and I'm watching the 10-year Treasury in the U.S. because the 10-year Treasury just doesn't lie. And it's 60 basis points. We began the year, just under 2%.